Let us perform the confirmative test for the presence of second group cation, that is copper 2+ ion, today. Take an aqueous solution of a salt and add dilute HCl solution into it. After adding dilute HCl solution, record the observation. No precipitate will be obtained, and that will confirm the absence of first group. Now, to the above mixture, we have to add the second group reagent, that is nothing but H2S. Either you pass the H2S gas to the above mixture or add saturated solution of H2S into it. I am adding saturated solution of H2S to the above mixture, and the black precipitate of cupric sulfide will be obtained. After adding the second group reagent, a black precipitate will be obtained, and that will confirm the presence of second group, and copper 2+ ion may be. Dissolve the above precipitate with the help of nitric acid. You have to dissolve the above precipitate completely with the help of nitric acid. Add some quantity of nitric acid into the above precipitate and heat the content till the precipitate dissolves completely, and filter the solution and divide the solution into two parts. To the first part of the solution, add ammonium hydroxide solution into it. You have to add to the first part of the solution aqueous solution of ammonium hydroxide, that is ammonium hydroxide solution. If ammonium hydroxide solution is added to the first part, record the observation when ammonium hydroxide is added to the first part. Deep blue color complex will be formed, and this appearance of deep blue color complex will confirm the presence of copper 2+ ion in the given salt. After adding ammonium hydroxide, the color of the complex will change from light blue to deep blue, and this will confirm the presence of copper 2+ ion. To the second part of the solution, you have to add potassium ferrocyanide solution into it. Here is a bottle that is containing potassium ferrocyanide solution. Add potassium ferrocyanide solution to the second part of the solution and record the observation. Chocolate brown precipitate will be obtained after adding potassium ferrocyanide solution into it, and this appearance of chocolate brown precipitate confirms the copper 2+ ion in the given salt. In this way, we can confirm the presence of copper 2+ ion in the given salt. Thank you.